Don't have a debit or credit card or don't know how to shop for yourself? No problem. I'll show you how to send the links to us by phone or tablet or with your computer so that we can purchase the products for you. There are 2 ways of sending the link to us, either using the phone or the computer. I will cover both in this tutorial. Using the phone. On your phone, open your browser. Go to amazon.co.uk. Once you get there, search for the product. Whatever specific product you're looking for. Choose from the wide variety. Keep scrolling until you find the perfect one for you. I will go with this one. Now you're going to press and hold up in your address bar and copy. Next, open the WhatsApp. Send us the link. You can find our phone numbers here on our website. And type a message, press and hold. Then hit paste. This will paste the link you just copied. And that's all. We will get back to you letting you know the estimated pricing. Using the computer. Up in your address bar, go to web.whatsapp.com. Get your phone and open WhatsApp. Now go to the 3 little dots in the corner. Open the WhatsApp web and scan the QR code. Your WhatsApp is now connected to the computer. In a new tab, we're going to go to amazon.co.uk. In the Amazon search bar, search for the product. Scroll until you find the perfect product for you. Once you find it, click on it. Press down and hold. In the address bar, go back to your WhatsApp. Then paste, send. And that's all. We will get back to you with the estimated pricing.